Would you like to give the intro, TugBoatTyler?
Oh, sure. Tell me when.
Go ahead, it's already recording.
Oh, hello. I am TugBoatTyler here with Stress Mayon. And while telling right now, we're going to bring you some zombies.
On Kino.
That's the map ever.
Awaiting connection. Okay. I don't know how good I'll be because I haven't played Kino in quite a while. So we'll see. I did get to round 30 whenever I was playing alone, but I don't know if it was good or not. Listen, I want this window. This one's mine.
Go find the power box.
Yeah.
What am I saying? I'll have to turn that down for a second. There we go. Let's get the music.
Oh, I found the rock.
There we go.
Great.
Dang, I haven't played in a long time.
Oh, God. You said that's mine.
Hold on. I'll be back. I had to let Roxy out for a second. Okay.
You see what happens when you touch
Oh yeah, there we go.
Are we going up or down?
The down is more difficult. So if we want to fail pretty badly, we can go that direction.
Okay. Opening the door.
Alright.
Got it.
I'm gonna get an M14. I really like the M14 and upgrading it to the Malaysia. At least I think that's how it's pronounced.
Somewhere not have to move so much. Good. I get tired.
Boom. Oh yeah, insta-kill. Yeah, I was playing, me and my buddies, we were playing Dungeons and Dragons and it was awesome because we're doing an ongoing campaign right now.
Yeah.
So, this one will go on for a little while, and my group, we went to we had to find the person who was poisoning the wells in the cities, so we were working on that, and then we found out that it was a druid, and then we killed the druid, but it was funny because the druid kept hitting one of my friends in the head, and he took like a total of like 7 damage from just from a sling, and because she was slinging rocks. And then and I had to appraise, so I could appraise the stuff in the in the dungeons, and it was cool, but oh, my back hurts. But then in the treasure chest that they had for killing the druid, there was a chest inside of a chest. It was chestception, but I just like little boxes for some reason. I'm not sure why. Just like little chests and boxes are cool to me. So I was just like, well, I want to take the chest. And then I found out that it was a growing chest. So it's literally a live chest that's growing. It's a plant. So I took it, and it was awesome. But then we took the hide armor off of the yeah. I took the hide armor. We took the hide armor off of her, and I thought she'd have like some undergarments or something on, but she didn't. So we were basically, and then my buddy Jace, he said, well, why don't we go sell the body? So basically, when we walked into town, we were carrying around a dead body that was naked. Just through town, you know, not a big deal or anything. We sold the body for like 205 gold. Dang it.
Gotcha.
Where'd you go?
We were in the room.
Oh. Come and save me, please.
I was all the way near the first room.
Oh.
So what? I was only taking a nap.
But we had some fun.
Pretty great fun. Yeah, good shot.
Leave a crawler. I want to get a chair. I'm standing here and bending over, kind of, so it's hurting my back a lot.
Yeah. Well, maybe you didn't lay down so much all the time.
Yeah.
It helps go to bed and get clogged.
Huh?
It helps go to bed and get clogged all the time.
Yeah.
Get some exercise.
Hey, I'm in an exercise class and I'm going to a gym now.
Congratulations. No, I do nothing.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be getting all this tummy weight and off. I'm getting a really big tummy and I don't like it.
Don't like it.
I weigh like 200 pounds. I've gained about like 20 or 30 pounds in a month.
Not in the first room.
Alright, I'm coming. I'm coming to get you, man.
You know what's coming now.
You're just in luck. I got a nuke.
Die, demon hell pigs!
Come on. Oh yeah, there we go.
I have finished.
Hold on. Oh no.
What'd you do?
How am I supposed to open the door for my dog and still play? No.
Yeah, my name.
Yeah, I'm just gonna sit in the corner for a second.
Alright, got you back.
Alright, got me a chair.
No time.
Oh yeah.
Where are they all at?
I don't know.
We're just going all the way up here. Alright, let's go.
Who am I? Am I Nikolai? Tyler, look at me. Am I Nikolai?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go pick the Nikolai.
Oh yeah.
For you!
What the heck? That just jumped down from the roof.
Yeah, no. No, you're going down.
Wow, this one's got a lot of dogs. I think if you shoot where they're spawning, they actually take damage even before they spawn. I don't know if that's true or not, but I don't know. I mean, I think it sounds good to me, but yeah. Tyler, I've been working on a video game with Game Maker, and it's pretty cool. It's called Hamsters of Evil. You have to kill all the hamsters because they're invading the world and they're huge, and it's gonna be awesome. and then I'm working on erasing the background of a crossbow, GIF, but it's 63 slides. So I have to erase the background for every single slide. So it's going to be in some intense work, but it's going to be totally worth it. Oh no, I think we're going to need to open the door.
Yeah, I got it. Good.
Oh yeah.
No box. No box.
The box? No box, okay. I probably should have bought the AK-74U. Could you guys make a crawler? I need to plug in my phone.
Hold on.
I should have been more prepared, but I'm not.
Satan's minions!
Alright, I'm gonna get my charger.
Let's get on this roof now.
Well, I don't need it yet.
Look at the door.
Alright. We going down. Town.
Oh, look at how shiny she is!
Oh yeah, M16. I don't really like fully automatic weapons. I don't know why. I like the semi-automatic or 3-round burst.
We all took a really nice.
We're all getting the Bowie knife?
If you want to, you have enough.
Yeah.
I'll keep killing!
You want to kill some people around. Look at this gun.
You know how to say owned in Russian? Owned!
Oh yeah. Dang, it's been so long since I played this map. Or even the old Black Ops.
It's ready now.
Reminiscing. Another nuke?
It's almost good right now.
Yeah, I get all next week off. Ooh yeah, for Thanksgiving. You only get Thursday and Friday off, don't you?
This cursed plague.
That's horrible for you.
So I'm coming down on this break so we can hang out.
Alright, I was planning on having you over for Christmas break on Christmas break. I get 2 weeks, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks for Christmas break.
I'm good. I'll go back to like
Do you have any do you have any DLC?
I'm 4.
Huh?
Nope.
Okay. Yeah. We can do some 5. I've actually made it to like round 21, but for some reason it didn't calculate it in, even though it was it was an online match. For some reason it didn't calculate it in, but
Elevator.
Ah, shit, this is embarrassing.
oh boss. We may not be able to get you.
I like it rough, but not that rough. Nikolai cannot die. Hey, the drive. Don't worry.
There we go.
Teamwork. High fives all around.
Oh yeah, high fives. Air fives. Air fives. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Ja. Oh yeah. Oh no, it's not letting me. There we go. It wasn't letting me buy. Oh, it's already round 10. There's no reason to buy the Bowie knife at all, really. Except for the poison zombies.
I got you. Alright guys, link in the pad. Okay.
I'm definitely going to upgrade the M14.
Richtofen, your children are becoming annoying.
Still up. Front.
Oh, did you hear what
Do they insist
Nikolai
on
just said?
Yeah.
He said, Richtofen, your children are starting to get annoying.
I'm getting out of there.
It is happy hour.
No!
Maybe try give
I wish the M16 and the M14 were a little bit more powerful.
Yeah. They're like getting over that 16.
Yeah.
But keep it sitting right there, Hank.
You want that flush source? Nikolai is coming for you!
Oh no!
Jesus, guys!
Well, at least I did save you. Oh no, you just went down. Oh no.
Say thank you, Lizzie.
Get him out of here. Get him away.
No! No! This is not going well. This is just the test round. Just to get back in the groove.
Wait, we are keeping score?
Normally I don't go down this much. Usually I only go down once, and that's whenever I die last. Where's the mystery box?
It's probably upstairs. You want to go up, Donald?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're upgrade. Upgrade. Go out.
Oh yeah.
Wait till it starts spawning.
Oh yeah.
Dog, play, dog, play. I'm gonna go to
They are
we're gonna
trying
go
to
get
fetch our souls again!
Yeah, dude, I'm gonna get a really good desktop. Well, per se, really good. To play games on. I already have 18 games from like Humble Bundle and Steam. So it's gonna be really awesome.
Help me. Help me.
Oh no! Run away!
Why am I always needing more ammo?
Help me, go straight.
Time for some Juggernaut.
I was just one sandwich.
This was not a well thought out plan.
I'm coming back, dog. Two dogs. I hate all of you.
Why did I run out of ammo?
No, I don't have enough now. For an upgrade.
Reach forward tonight!
I'll upgrade this instead. I'll have the Hades.
Alright, John, where are you?
Huh? I'm over here.
You never were freaking out the house? Donna.
I don't have enough yet. Can I get some more?
What?
Can I get some more points? I'm
yeah.
I'm only like 680 away. Yeah, I will get this. I will get this very soon, and I'm gonna get the Hades. Come on, zombies.
We need to start training. Everyone needs to start training.
I can do the stage.
You got slime on my uniform!
I'm going the way we started.
I like it rough, but not that rough! I am surrounded by hellfish!
Alright, I've got exactly 5,000. Are you guys ready?
I think I'm
Hang on.
alone now. There doesn't seem to be anyone around.
Oh, I never heard that one before.
I'm coming.
I still have no pity.
guys. Let's go.
Alright, everyone.
Press the button to go.
Oh yeah, that's how you do it.
How you guys doing?
How you guys do it too?
I was scared.
Oh no, I'm just going through the thing. Am I actually there or are we lagging?
Guys, guess what I got?
No! No!
I got your back. I got my second Sally.
Oh, I lost connection to host.
We did. We're so good.
Let me try to join you.
Okay.
Alright, let's see this. Oh, come on. Yeah. Nope, I can't join it because it's private. But you could invite me. If you could do it, you could invite me, but I'm gonna be reset back to 0.
Let us restart. Let us get a caller. Alright, we got a caller.
What level?
What?
What level?
We got a caller, so we're gonna wait until this pass on the server.
Okay.
I'm gonna do some.
Yeah, there's this awesome game. It's called Mount Your Friends. It's an indie game. It sound, you know of it?
Yeah, I know what it is. It's really cool.
Yeah. I played it with my friend at his house.
Alright. I just want to press. Can you cover me, Billy? Yes. Oh, can't cover anybody. Can't really do anything. That's fine. Alright, next time I drink
Let's look at the leaderboards. 27 rounds with the highest round survived on Kino. 27. Oh yeah. I'm 8. My sister really likes the 5. That's really the only one she played.
We can't invite you to the game. What do we do?
I don't know.
I guess we're gonna join your lobby.
Okay. My internet must have whacked out. I'm gonna stop the video here and then we can do it again. Well, this is Boss Paladin Raid. And go ahead, Tyler.
What?
We're ending this episode, per se, this little video. I'm Boss Paladin Raid. Go ahead. That's TugBoatTyler and his friend Ghile signing off on this one. And we'll be back with another episode. Or video, I guess. I don't know. But this is this one. Bye.